In this video, I'm showing you the real technical workflow behind Becky Beach's system she calls vibe coding. I'll show you how you can use the same process to build digital products in minutes instead of weeks. Vibe coding sounds mystical. It's a repeatable AI workflow that Becky uses to create anything from planners, printables, spreadsheets, journals, and even apps, faster than almost anyone else. She told Business Insider that she used to spend weeks or even months developing one single product. Now, she creates a full printable workbook in about 20 minutes, and then an entire app or course in under an hour and a half. Now, Becky does not start with random ideas. She starts with demand. First, she surveys her 170,000 email list. She searches, she researches, and she listens inside of niche Facebook groups. And then she runs keywords through Sales Samurai, eRank, and Book Publisher Rocket to find what people already buy. So before she builds anything, she already knows two things: what problem it solves and who actually pays for it. Most people jump straight into designing. Becky doesn't. She builds a wireframe first. She knows that structure comes before aesthetic. In her AI Printables Wireframes Masterclass, she shows exactly what a wireframe is: titles, tables, fields, page sections, pacing, no colors, no art. She doesn't actually build these by hand. She lets AI create the whole structure. This is the heart of her workflow. Vibe coding means describing the feel, the structure, and the purpose of the product, and then letting ChatGPT Pro generate the skeleton. She uses ChatGPT's Python mode to generate PowerPoint layouts, Google Slides templates, fillable PDF structures, and spreadsheet tabs, columns, and formulas. She'll sketch the idea on paper, upload it into ChatGPT Vision, and say something like, turn the sketch into a 10-page productivity planner. Each page needs 4 sections, tables for tasks, deadlines and revenue, consistent margins. Output as a PowerPoint layout with text boxes and tables. And then ChatGPT generates the entire layout for her. Titles, sections, tables, all placed properly on each side. In her Spreadsheets masterclass, she shows a custom GPT that asks questions, then generates a full Google Sheet. Tabs, column labels, even formulas like sum, if, and lookup. As an example, she'll put, build a 4-tab revenue tracker for freelancers, tab 1, income, tab 2, expenses, tab 3, dashboard, tab 4, forecast based on last 12 weeks. This isn't AI guessing. It's structured prompting paired with her UX brain. Now, once the structure exists, Becky does the finishing work. She uses Canva for layout polish, Midjourney for clip art and boho patterns, Ideogram for stylized text, and Recraft for vectors and seamless design. So AI builds the skeleton, and then Becky adds the vibe. Now, after she finishes the design, she exports the product into whatever format she needs, such as PDFs, Canva templates, Google Sheets, or fillable PDFs. She sells printables for $7 to $37, and then courses from anywhere from $97 to $997. She also sells PLR versions, letting other creators resell her products. With AI handling the structure, she can produce a lot more. She expanded her catalog to over 1,500 products. Planners, spreadsheets, journals, stickers, patterns, and full-blown printable systems. In digital products, more listings equals more visibility. More visibility equals more sales. Her scaling is mechanical, not mysterious. You don't need a design degree to use the system. Here's how to apply it no matter what you do for a living or what you know. If you're a creator, build content planners, create Notion templates, build mini workbooks, create scripts and outlines with vibe coding, and make lead magnets quickly. If you run a business, you can create client onboarding forms, SOPs, calculators, dashboards, and training materials. And then if you want to just create a side hustle, there's a lot more you can do, such as niche planners, kids printables, wellness journals, habit trackers, budgeting spreadsheets, and PLR bundles. In my next video, I'm going to build an entire vibe-coded product live on camera, from idea to finished product. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.